Okay, now that we've built the sprite, the little bee, we're going to basically make sure that in the sprite section, that sprite is clicked here, as you can see down the bottom left. And what we can do here is we can change the info to give it the name, the bee, just call it the bee. There we go. And then we shall come out of that, and basically what we're going to do is head over to scripts, and the first thing we're going to do is add in our trusty green flag. There we are in the events section, and we're going to then go into motion, and we're going to add the X and the Y. So you see here, and this is just the first step in the motion setup that we're doing, because now what we want to do is have this sprite, the bee, be able to move around wherever the spaceship goes. So we're going to head over into sensing, and we're going to look for the X position, and it's down here somewhere of this. So I'm going to grab that, and we're going to put it in here, and we're going to have it the X position of the spaceship. So we go to X position of spaceship, and then we're going to repeat the process for Y. We're going to grab this, put it in, and we're going to change the drop down here to Y, and we're going to make it spaceship as well. And then we're going to connect these together like Lego, and then we're going to head over to the green flag, and wherever the spaceship is, oops, the bee will follow. So if you can do that in yours, make sure you click on B to build a script for B, and add in the motion and the sensing as explained, the go to X position of spaceship and go to Y position of spaceship. And once you've done that and you followed along, I'll see you in the next video.